Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 4X, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, along with setting it up. So, to start off, you want to pull down the notification panel and go to Shortcuts. And from here you'll find this little moon icon for the Do Not Disturb mode, and you can just simply tap on it to enable it. So let's turn it on, and it will be enabled by whatever the default settings are. Now if you want to customize it, you can go back to it, and instead of tapping on it, you can hold it and it will take you to the settings from where you can customize it further. So disabling it now, you can enable the schedule, which will also add you a couple other additional options. So start time and end time, you can choose start. So let's make it, for instance, something like 8:30. Let's make it, I guess, to 7. Doesn't really matter what I said here, as long as it's PM. And there we go. So till 6, and then repeat callers. This is a option that if someone calls you within 3 minutes, more than once, I guess, I think it is. Yeah, the second call. So basically, if they call you twice within 3 minutes, the call will be actually let through, no matter what the settings are. So even if you're blocking every single number that is trying to call you with the Do Not Disturb mode, if you check this on, they still will be able to reach you if they call twice within 3 minute period. And then you have also allow contacts, and you have option to basically exclude specific contacts from the Do Not Disturb mode when it's enabled. So the specific contacts that you choose will still be able to reach you no matter what the settings are here. And that is how you would set it up to work automatically. So once this is enabled, it will turn on and off on its own. And yeah, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.